Nestled amidst the lush greenery of Aldeia da Serra, this residential project, designed by Renato Santoro Arquitetura in partnership with FJ55 Arquitetos, is a testament to sustainable architecture and harmonious living. The residence, a retreat for a professional seeking respite from the urban hustle and bustle, was conceived as an organic extension of the surrounding landscape. The architects sought to minimize the house's footprint on the natural environment, creating a structure that seamlessly blends into the forest. The use of recycled materials, such as treated eucalyptus logs and reclaimed Paraná wood, further reinforces the project's commitment to sustainability. The deck, constructed from old utility pole crossbars, adds a rustic charm while also providing a connection to the outdoors. One of the most striking features of the house is its integration with the sloping terrain. A retaining wall, serving both structural and privacy purposes, embraces the residence and creates a sense of enclosure. The spatial layout was carefully designed to maximize natural light and ventilation, while the incorporation of sustainable solutions, such as a photovoltaic system, ensures energy efficiency. The result is a home that not only provides comfort and privacy, but also serves as a model for environmentally conscious living.